This gut cleanse smoothie features a powerhouse of ingredients, each chosen for its specific health benefits. Spinach is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting digestion and detoxification. Apple provides pectin, a soluble fiber that regulates bowel movements and removes toxins. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the gut and aid digestion. Lemon supports liver function and detoxification. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of fiber, promoting healthy digestion and fullness. Cucumber adds hydration and aids detoxification. Each ingredient works synergistically for a powerful gut-cleansing effect. This smoothie is a delicious way to enhance your gut health. Preparing this gut cleanse smoothie is quick and easy. First, gather all your ingredients. 1 cup of spinach, 1 medium apple, cored and chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and chopped, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a cucumber, chopped. Once you have everything ready, you can begin the blending process. Add the spinach, apple, ginger, lemon juice, chia seeds, and cucumber to a blender. Pour in about a cup of water or your preferred liquid, such as coconut water or almond milk. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy, adding more liquid if needed to reach your desired consistency. Once the smoothie is blended to perfection, pour it into a glass and enjoy immediately. The vibrant green color and refreshing taste will invigorate your senses. This smoothie is a perfect way to start your day or enjoy as a healthy snack anytime. The preparation process is simple and straightforward, making it easy to incorporate this smoothie into your daily routine. With just a few minutes of blending, you can create a nutrient-packed beverage that supports your gut health and overall well-being. Enjoy the delicious and refreshing taste of this ultimate gut cleanse smoothie. This smoothie works wonders for your gut health due to its unique combination of ingredients. The fiber in spinach, apple, and chia seeds sweeps away waste and toxins from your digestive tract. This promotes regularity and prevents constipation, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. Ginger soothes the gut lining and reduces bloating. It also aids in digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Lemon juice supports liver function, crucial for detoxification. The combination of these ingredients promotes a clean and healthy gut environment. Cucumber provides hydration and electrolytes, essential for optimal digestion. It also supports the removal of toxins from the body. Chia seeds boost omega-3 fatty acids, supporting gut health. This smoothie is a natural way to cleanse your gut and improve digestive health. Regular consumption can lead to improved bowel movements, reduced bloating, and increased energy levels. Embrace the power of this smoothie and experience its transformative effects on your gut. Section 5. Optimal consumption for maximum benefits. For optimal results, it is recommended to consume this gut cleanse smoothie in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the nutrients to be readily absorbed and kickstarts your digestive system for the day. You can also enjoy this smoothie as a healthy snack between meals or as a post-workout recovery drink. Listen to your body and adjust the frequency of consumption based on your individual needs. Some people may benefit from having this smoothie daily, while others may find that a few times a week is sufficient. The key is to find what works best for you and incorporate it into your routine consistently. Experiment with adding other healthy ingredients to your smoothie to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. You can add a handful of berries for antioxidants, a scoop of protein powder for a post-workout boost, or a dollop of nut butter for healthy fats. The possibilities are endless. Remember to chew your smoothie thoroughly, even though it's in liquid form. This helps to break down the ingredients and aids in digestion. Enjoy the process of nourishing your body with this delicious and beneficial smoothie. Section 6. Hydration, the detox partner. Staying hydrated is crucial for supporting the detoxification process and maximizing the benefits of this gut cleanse smoothie. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body and keeps your digestive system functioning smoothly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can also infuse your water with fruits and vegetables like cucumber, lemon, or berries to add flavor and enhance its detoxifying properties. Herbal teas are another great option for staying hydrated and supporting your overall health. Proper hydration is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. It helps to prevent constipation, supports healthy bowel movements, and keeps your body functioning at its best. Make hydration a priority and experience the positive impact it has on your health. In addition to drinking water, you can also increase your fluid intake through hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and leafy greens. These foods contain a high percentage of water and can contribute to your daily hydration goals. Prioritize hydration and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Section 7. A delicious path to digestive harmony. This gut cleanse smoothie offers a delicious and convenient way to achieve digestive harmony. The nutrient-rich ingredients cleanse your gut, improve digestion, and boost health. Incorporate this smoothie into your routine for a healthy and happy gut. A healthy gut impacts energy levels and immunity. This smoothie promotes optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Support your body's detoxification processes with this smoothie. The refreshing taste and vibrant color will invigorate your senses. Perfect for starting your day or as a healthy snack anytime. Treat your gut to this nourishing smoothie and transform your health. Section 8. Join the gut health revolution. Start your journey towards a healthier gut today by trying this ultimate gut cleanse smoothie. Share this recipe with your friends and family and inspire them to prioritize their gut health too. Together, we can create a gut health revolution. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Leave a comment below sharing your experience with this smoothie and any variations you've tried. Your feedback is valuable and helps me create content that best serves your needs. I appreciate your support and look forward to connecting with you in the comments. Let's continue this journey towards optimal health together. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. By prioritizing your gut health, you're investing in a healthier and happier you. Join the gut health revolution and experience the transformative power of a thriving digestive system.